Hello everyone and welcome back to Magnificalcorecraft. Today we'll be working on a new pattern, and that pattern is what we're going to use for a bag. So let me show you the materials that will be required. First, our tape measure, lighter, scissors, and clips to hold our work in place. Now this is the handle with which we'll be using the bag, and it has already been handmade. Now if you're wondering how we arrived at this, you can check the link in our description box and you will get to the video. These are the colors with which we'll be using: light green, lemon green, and cream. So let's get into the video. Alright, the arrangement of the crowns, as you can see, is 3-to-1. So I used the light green and the dark green to make one crown knot, as you can see here. Same thing goes for this one. Now we are going to merge the two of them together like this. So to do that, I'm going to take 2 from here and 2 from here, like this. So 2 from here, 2 from here. Alright, and I'm going to make a square now. So I'm going to take these two, will be in the middle, and I'm going to take this one over and put this one on top of it, and then bring it out here. So it's like I'm kind of tying them together. Then you pull it, make sure they are side by side, no spaces in between. Then I'm going to repeat the same process but on this side now. On top of these two in the middle, this one goes on top of this one and out here. Then pull tightly, no spaces in between. Yeah, so you can see now. Now for the second line, I'm going to take this 2 from here, 2 from here, like this. Now I'm going to do the same thing I did up there. 1 like this. This one comes on top and comes out. Same process on this other side. This one comes on top of these two, this stays on top and then out. Alright, I have the second line. Now for this side, I'm going to do what I did at the other side. 2 here, 2 here. Over, over, under. Now this side, over, over, like this. Okay, and that's done. So that's what I'm going to do round with the other crown knots. Alright, I've joined all the crowns, and then we have this shape, something that looks quite like a skirt. So now I'm going to be joining this one as the final knot to make it complete. So as I said earlier, 2 here, 2 here. Make a square knot. Like this, like this. Alright. Then I'll make a square knot at this side. Tighten, and then the last one here, one here, out, then here, here, out. Alright, so the merging is alright, so the merging is complete.